Let me show you what I've been up to in these past few weeks. We've got some plushies, some knitted things, and some whips, so let's get into it. First off, I have this giraffe, which I am so very proud of. I finally figured out how to make a four-legged animal, and I'm just so happy how it came out that I made a few more in cow form. I made this pink one and green one also with the four legs. And I got also this pink and brown one, which I think looks so cute, and I absolutely love how they come out. I really want to make a bunch more of these. Next off, I made two different types of mallard ducks, one that's sitting and one that's standing. I probably should have made it the yellow beak because you can't really see it, but I think it's cute anyways. Next up, I have this little chicken, soft and white and fluffy. I love how it came out. And then I have this fish that I just kind of freehanded. It didn't come out perfect, but I think it's pretty cute. Next up, I have some mini stuff. I have this little yellow duckling, this mallard duck. I made like the big one, but in small. A little ice cream cone of 2 layers. And a little fish. It's a bit hard to work with such thin yarn, but it comes out so cute that it's totally worth it. I forgot to show it up close, but I made also that red apple. Now for some knitting machine stuff, I made this thin scarf, and I love how the pattern came out with the yarn. I added some pom-poms at the ends, and it's so nice. And I also made on the knitting machine this big pink bag. I used the big knitting machine for the 2 panels of the bag and the smaller one for the strap. It came out so nice and I hope to use it a lot. And last but not least, my whips. First off, I have this, which was supposed to become a baby onesie. I started knitting the yoke and I'm having a very hard time continuing it. It's not so pleasant to work with this yarn, at least in knit. It's called Lorena Superfine. It's a mixture of acrylic and cotton. It's a nice yarn, but it's very thin, so I'm doubling it up. And it's just really hard to knit with it for some reason. So I'm thinking to maybe start over and crochet it instead, but I still haven't decided. Next, I have this couch cover that I'm working on. And I love the stripes, I love the colors, but after a while of working on it, I realized that it was coming out way too dense and heavy and just not draping well. So I am going to start it over with double crochets this time. This I was making in single crochet, so now I'm going to do double crochet. I already began making a starting chain. And I'm going to have to start over. I don't mind so much because it'll come out even better, I hope. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching and I'll see you by next update. Bye!